Good morning. So today we got a lot on the agenda. We got some college student things to do, and then I'm going to a doctor's appointment, and I just wanted you guys to come along and hang out. You guys saw my little breakfast I made. The bagel reminds me of I believe it's a Persian dish. I used to eat it all the time. And it's made with lavash bread. It's a specific kind of cheese and basil, and it is so good. If you guys know what it's called, please comment down below because it's one of my favorite things to eat. But I haven't been able to find like a Persian market here, like at all. We found an Asian market. We found like a general Asian market, and then we found like a Filipino market. We found a Korean market, so that's been awesome. We found like an Indian grocery store. And we love to cook food from everywhere, and this is like one of my favorite things. That dish is one of my favorite things. So this bagel gets kind of close, but it's like close but no dice. So if you guys know one in Vegas, please let me know. I'm also having my tea. So my refreshment tea, this isn't my favorite. I like pure spearmint tea. I'll link it down below. I took like 2 weeks off drinking the spearmint tea, and my acne and like cystic acne came back with a vengeance. So I'm really hoping that today I can get some answers. Because today my appointment is with my OBGYN, and I'm really hoping we can figure out like what the heck is going on, because I do think that this is all linked to my period. So yeah, I'm gonna eat breakfast and do some work. Yeah, fun times. Finished all my homework, and now I just have to study for finals later on in the weekend. But I made my coffee. This is like my Starbucks s'mores dupe, and it tastes really good. I'm not gonna say it tastes perfectly like a s'more because I don't add graham crackers or anything like that. I'm sure if I added like a little cookie butter or something to this, it would like hit the spot. But today I just made it how I've been making it lately. Super good, and it's not that bad on calories, which is why I like to make it, because it like mixes up my coffee in the week. I'm gonna kick it on the couch. I'm actually watching Adeline Morin's Vlogmas from 2021. I love Vlogmas, but there's only certain people that I watch Vlogmas during Vlogmas, and then everyone else I save them to watch throughout the year when I want like a little pick-me-up. So right now I'm watching Adeline's, and she's just like such good vibes and energy. She reminds me like it's so important to take care of yourself, take care of your looks, like, make yourself feel like the bittiest baddies on earth. Guys, so we're in my closet. All I did was blow dry my hair, and like, I don't know. I don't hate my haircut because it looks really cute when I put it up in a clip like this. I just got this from Forever 21. So it looks cute when I put it up in a clip, but like my hair is pretty short, and it's because I'm trying to grow out my damaged, relaxed hair. So I'm keeping it short as it grows out, because about like this much of my hair is curly, and then the rest is straight, and it's just like really annoying. So yeah, I'm trying to grow it out. But I'm not gonna put in my extensions today, so you'll probably see how I do my hair and get myself ready in the next vlog, because we are going to my doctor's appointment and we're gonna go to the gym after, so I need to pull out something to wear. I am so sorry if you guys cannot hear me because my dishwasher is going, but this is bomb.com, and the seaweed I get is from our local Korean market. Literally go get it at like a Korean market, a Japanese market. Like, go there. Do not pay all that money at the grocery store. Bomb. We're gonna have to rush out, so I'm gonna eat this super quick. I'll let you guys know if I use 1 or 2 packs of seaweed, but to be honest, seaweed is not bad in calories, so it doesn't really matter. Yeah, it's really not bad on calories. It's like the whole pack is 40 calories, so 80 calories plus like whatever the 100 calories in the tuna. Like, it's not bad, guys. So I'm gonna eat this super quick, keep drinking my lemon water, and I will probably see you guys like out on the road somewhere. Sorry about the wonky lighting. We finally made it home. It's 6:30 right now, and we wasted an entire 2 hours at that doctor's appointment for literally nothing. And I'm saying wasted because it was truly a waste. So my doctor had basically booked or like recommended that I get an ultrasound, like a vaginal ultrasound. So they just acted like that wasn't what the appointment was booked for. And the doctor was like, oh, like, okay, like, let's just chat. So we chat for like 2 minutes. Mind you, they asked you to be there 30 minutes early. We get there. I don't get called back until 10 minutes after my appointment time. So why did I need to be here 30 minutes early when I already did the online check-in? But okay, sis. Then I sit back there for another 30 minutes for the doctor to come in and only talk to me for about 7 minutes. And I'm not kidding. Like 7 minutes for her to be like, oh, you need blood work done and you need to go and book for an ultrasound. And I'm like, and she's like, we have the ultrasound here, but like, we can't do it right now. And I'm like, why not? And just like, oh, you know, like we'll just book you. And I'm like, so then we go. And then I go to get my blood work, and at least we can get the blood work done in office, and then come to find out the blood work is like, oh, you have a bill from the last time you got blood work. That's so funny because I've never gotten a phone call, an email, or anything in the mail. And we checked my address and phone number and email on file, and they have it all. So they just like don't send you a bill. Like, it's just like, figure it out yourself. So that's cute, Nevada. That's really cute. Second of all, I think I have a UTI, and I've never had one before in my life, so that's interesting. But I think I have one, so I'm gonna call my doctor and find out about it. Because I looked up my symptoms online, and it sounds like a UTI, and that's like interesting to me because, never had one before. So I'm just like, okay. And they said it could be related to your birth control, which is so interesting because I just feel like my period and everything has been so weird since I got the Nexplanon last year, and I'm just like, does my body just not like it? Because all of these problems are coming up ever since I got the Nexplanon. The cystic acne, like all the, like every issue I'm having, like the issues with weight. I've always been able to like lose weight from working out. If I really committed to it, I could lose weight. That's not the case anymore. So I'm just like, I don't know. Anyways, so guys, all that to say, today sucked. and I'm in like a little bit of a cranky mood. It's okay, we're gonna turn her right around. So after you guys saw me eat my tuna, which was so good, and in the next video, I will give you an actual recipe because I just threw that together in like 2 seconds because I was like, bro, I want that Emily Marico salmon and I don't have salmon, so, And I made it with tuna and it was really good. So I drank one of these munchies from Alani Nu. I freaking love these, they're so delicious. And yeah, they're just a good way to get in some protein. I didn't eat that much today. I knew I didn't eat that much today. So I just want to make sure I got in a good chunk of protein. We went to Target and I'm drinking one of these Olipop vintage colas because it's got prebiotics and botanical plant fiber, really delicious. We picked up some good old cranberry juice because I heard that's what you're supposed to have for UTI. We picked up, this is my favorite vitamin brand. We picked up Ray, and it's the vaginal health one. It's a blend of probiotic, herbs, and cranberry extract. I picked this up because they say you need to start taking probiotics. Also, my doctor, like my regular doctor was like, you really need to take probiotics. And I kind of was like, okay, sis. And now I'm really going to take probiotics because that could be another reason why I got a UTI is that I don't take a probiotic, which is just like, okay. And then I picked up this pre and probiotic because yes, I'm doubling up, baby. I'm not playing. So we got the vaginal health, we got pre and probiotic because sister, like, she's falling apart. So I got another one of these Olipops because they were 2 for $4 and I really love these. And then I picked up the Azo Urinary Tract Defense Antibacterial Protection plus pain reliever because sis is uncomfortable. So I picked this up. And then I picked up the Wild Alaskan Salmon Oil for my doggies. We're gonna put this on their food. If you guys have little dinky doggies, this is gonna last you forever. And I'm not kidding you. So a serving is 1 teaspoon per 20 pounds of body weight. Both of my dogs are about 5 pounds. So I'm literally giving them like 1/4 of a teaspoon each. And that's gonna be their serving. So yeah, and it always says, I love this brand, Zesty Paws. They have calming bites from them as well. And I really like this brand and the dogs do well with it. Mainly because I feel like they get dry noses really easily and they tend to get like dry skin. Like you can see the little flakies coming off their skin. So I just want to make sure they're doing the absolute best. We feed them really good quality food. They drink tons of water. We give them goat milk, ice cubes. Like we sleep with a humidifier and they sleep in the room with us. So we're really trying to keep them super healthy. And I just think Nevada is too dry for us. Puppies included. I think they're California puppies in their own right as well. So yeah, pick this up for them and hopefully it helps them out a lot. Remy Ashton recommended this and her dog's coat is like beautiful and so healthy and fluffy. And I can tell my dog's coat is gonna like fluff out and get long too. So I just wanna make sure we take the best care of their hair because they literally just turned 6 months and we want them to be super healthy. So guys, I'm about to just like sit back on the couch and be a couch potato because I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm just like not in a peppy mood right now. This was like such an agitating waste of my life day. That sounds so negative, but you guys, we've all had those days, okay? So yeah, I'm just gonna sit on the couch and be a couch potato and then we're gonna go to El Pollo Loco later and get the new birria tacos and I will let you guys know what we think. I'll show you, bring you along on our fun stuff. Hi guys, okay, so as you can see, we ended up at Durango Taco Shop. We love that place, and that's because El Pollo Loco was being a bunch of haters and they didn't have any birria tacos left. So then I was like, okay, fine, I'll settle and I'll get the quesadilla and I'll get the chicken tortilla soup. And they were like, haha, congratulations, you played yourself. We don't got that either. So we ended up at Durango Taco Shop. That's one of our favorite like shops here anyways. They make really good birria tacos. So I'm gonna show you guys it because I can't wait to eat. Ooh. Birria tacos. I don't get the lettuce because I don't like hot lettuce. I think it's disrespectful. But these are so stinking good. And then you get your little baggie of cilantro and onions. We got to hook it up with the salsa. No games to be played in this household. I think they gave pico de gallo for me. My boyfriend got us churros. Tons of salsa verde, only way to go. Azo. And then chips. My boyfriend got me Jamaica. Jamaica is literally one of my favorite drinks. Won't be drinking much of that tonight though, because you can't really have sugars when you're having these issues. But yeah, guys, let me fix this lighting. Okay, anyways, yeah, guys. So I'm gonna kick back, eat some food, and probably keep watching Adeline because I've been having so much fun watching her today. And just like enjoy the evening. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry if I was a little bit of a downer, but girl, we were going through it today. I do feel so much better now, drinking a lot of water and the cranberry juice. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. I hope you enjoyed. And make sure you click that subscribe button before you go. Bye.